what's raining outside, inside my heart. Are you going away? What do you think you can do, leaving me here with my mistakes? Sorry if I'm annoying you with all my thoughts, with all my fears. I'm leaving now. Don't worry, I'll be okay. You can call me something. Promise I'll be strong enough to leave alone. Watching films without you, are you having fun? Looking at the stars right now, don't even know that I exist. It's very sad, babe. Don't worry, I'll be okay. You can call me something. Promise I'll be strong enough. Dreams that are enough for me, and I know it will fall. All I can do is follow your steps, yeah, that are going away, that are going away. I'm strong enough. Grazie.